Hello everyone and welcome once again to the channel. Today we continue the assembling of the wonderful Tamiya Unimog. In Germany they say Unimog, like Italy. This is what I've made up to now. Some electronics inside. This is the general controller for the lights. We have a lot of plugs, and this is the remote switch that I used to buy in China. It's very good and very cheap, and you will find the link here under in the descriptions. And here under there is something in red for comments, for like and for subscribe, and if you smash the bell you don't lose any one of my very nice videos. This body has a problem. This I don't like absolutely, this so flat. So we have two options. One is cut and go down, but I don't think we can go up to the right level. So I have made these hooks here along, and rear the other side, and over here I put a cover, tissue cover. Then I have also another option, but it will be a surprise. Now I'll show you with a slideshow how I've made this. Now I have to put on this, and this. Air intake. First of all, the hole. mirrors. Okay, side mirrors, nice. Then wipers. I have to find the position. They are a little bit long. Yes, you have to cut them. Okay. So this is one. It's quite difficult. we have to use this. I don't want to do something like this, but something like this. Side lamp. Comments, like and subscribe. Let's go on the other table.